Hi, I recently got the Tidy and Bright collection from Young Living, and this is part of their holiday catalog or collection that's just for a little while, at least this bundle. And what I love about it, it's formulated with all the good and none of the bad, which is so important for me. I try to avoid any endocrine disruptors, chlorine bleach, synthetic fragrance, all that bad stuff that can harm my family and my dog. So let me show you what it comes with. You can also buy all these things separately, and I believe that they're gonna be permanent items. So the first thing is, oh, I'm already in love with this, but the Thieves Concentrate Thieves Cleaner. So I love that we're thinking about the environment because it comes as a concentrate. You just need a capful in 2 cups of water. And so here is one of the new spray bottles in this collection that it comes with. It's nice, like frosted glass, and it has like a nice spray. I don't know if you could see that, or even a stream. One fun thing is that it has these little tabs that you slide in. And I don't know on this video if you could see this, but this one says Thieves. On the other one it came with, it says bath or kitchen, so that you can customize or know what's in here. And then on the back of the Thieves one is blank, so you can customize it and maybe write it with a marker or something. So, and it just snaps right in. So I love that. It has a nice Young Living like little etched glass logo there. Really nice. So on the back of all these products is a QR code that shows a really short video of how you are impacting others, creating jobs and the environment, and helping with Young Living Seed to Seal standard. And it shows a really nice video and like of the farms and globally people working to make your product. So that's really nice. It also says all the good stuff's in there and the bad things that it's not. And it gives you all the ratios how to dilute your concentrate. So that's the first thing. So this could be for your Thieves Cleaner or for something else, maybe even a room spray. Okay. The next thing it comes with is a matching glass soap dispenser. Really nice. It just has a really nice pump. It's satisfying to push that down. Okay, what I love about this, again, it has the pretty etched glass, I don't think you could see it in the video, logo of Young Living, but you could barely see that. I'm gonna put this right away in our downstairs bathroom because it looks so nice. Then right here, there's like a little mark that and a little symbol of bubbles, so you know that's where you put up to this line the soap concentrate. And then up here, there's squiggly water line to show you that's the water level. Don't go too much or it'll overflow. And so you just simply put in the concentrate. So I love that you just have to buy the soap dispenser once and then buy the refills as much as you need. And it comes in a really nice glass bottle. So you just fill in the 2 ounces of, this came with Christmas Spirit. And I've been getting Christmas Spirit hand soap. It comes out every year seasonally, so I always get some. So I love to have this. And then I'm thinking of all the fun ways I could reuse this bottle. Maybe a little vase, or wash it out well, and you know, you could put a shot of your green juice or something like that. This would also be good for salad dressing, pouring out. I don't know. Okay, but I love reusing things. So that, okay. Now, I've already been using this a lot to make sure that I can tell you what I think. I am so excited that Young Living now has dishwashing tablets. Again, all the good, none of the bad ingredients. And I've been trying out a lot of natural dishwashing tablets, and most not so good. One I kind of liked, but it had the plastic wrapping in it, and we don't want to put plastic on our dishes that we use all the time and using a lot of heat, right? So glad it comes in this nice thin plastic container bag that closes up, and you get 30 tablets in there, so at least a month's supply. Probably probably more because I don't know if you run your dishwasher every night. And I've been doing one tablet. It even has a line on there. Don't know if you can see that. So you could cut it in half if even that's too powerful. A lot of Young Living's products are so concentrated, you don't need to use the full strength. Now on the directions, it does say for heavy soiled dishes and pots and pans, you could use 2. I've been using 1 and it's been working wonderful. Nothing stuck, no residues, and sparkling glasses. So I totally recommend it. I'm so happy that I can be buying these from Young Living now. And like, especially on my loyalty order, so I get points back, 25%. Okay, now, finally, I'm really excited about this too. Thieves Hand Sanitizing Wipes, or multi-purpose. So these are good for your hands and all surfaces. Being a mom, this is important, right? We got to clean on the go, stickiness, dirtiness, and I hate having where so many places and schools use Clorox wipes, which have the chlorine bleach in there. So bad for our body, so bad to get on our hands and surfaces that we touch. Maybe this would be a great gift for a teacher. So you just buy this nice sleek dispenser once and then refilling. I love that too, because I love to reuse my containers and have less trash. Okay, so look at this. A nice logo right there of Young Living, and it has such a nice little magnetic opening, also very satisfying. Okay, so this is what you do. You open it up. I haven't put mine in yet, so let's do on the video here. Again, there's the QR code, so you can watch that real short 1-minute video, and all the cleaning power you need. So I can't wait to try these out. It's also made, which I appreciate, with biodegradable fibers. So it's not going to be a lot more trash. It will, and it has a lemon scent, so we're going to smell that in a minute. Again, made with all the good and none of the bad. And so I feel so good that it's fine and safe to use on your hands as well as surfaces. So, where can I keep this great dispenser? At work, maybe in the car, definitely in the kitchen. I feel like it's nice enough that it could just be out even. All right, so let's open this up. And I like that it's, well, there are 40 wipes. I like that it's a smaller amount, so it's not gonna dry out. Ooh, yes, that smells so good. Lemon myrtle, so fresh. Like, everyone loves lemon, so very good. So I'm pretty sure this is, I didn't read the directions, but I think you just put them in and take one out like this. Open this up and push that through. There we go. And you could just pull out the wipe. It smells good. It's nice and strong, so that you feel clean too. And then I love that little snap. Okay, it's gonna be fun to get these all the time. And again, put them on my regular order. Okay, and finally, this is a free gift with this, the Tidy collection. It is a Christmas or winter dish towel. And this is gonna be perfect in my aqua kitchen. So I'm so excited. And it's quite large, which is really nice. Look at that. So I am really happy with this purchase, and I totally recommend it because you can feel good about using this with your family, good for your health, and it actually cleans. Because I've used all of these products before, and clean matters, but safe and healthy matters too.